Alright, what is going on? Welcome to the channel. Alright, so we're up in Atlantic City doing some FSD beta, and in this video we're gonna see how FSD can take us to the Harrahs. So we're looking at about a 5-minute drive. Hopefully no sudden maneuvers. That's telling me to go right up here. Alright, here we go. Alright, so yeah, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. We got a lot of FSD beta videos. We're testing it out all around town over here. So we're about to hit the expressway, I don't know, expressway connector. So yeah, 5 minutes it's saying we're gonna be in front of the Harrahs. Alright, look at that. That's the Borgata in front of us there. That's cool. There's some clean energy for you all right there. Shout out to the wind turbines doing its thing. Alright, very smooth though. Alright, so this tunnel is not going to be presented by the boring company, but hopefully it's pretty entertaining. So, here we go. Alright, cool. FSD handling itself really nicely out here, I have to say, especially when you're in foreign areas. It helps you out. Let's see where we gotta go. Oh, this is a lot better of a view now. Look at this. Alright, this kept me to the right here. Alright, this looks like we got a pretty sharp exit ahead here. There it is. Now I see it. Alright, 3 minutes away. It's saying in 3 minutes we're gonna be at the Harrahs. Hey. Alright. Dang, look at the view here. This is really nice. And very nice, smooth pull up by FSD. I'm gonna speed up a little bit since I'm in the left lane. And in New Jersey, you're not supposed to be camping out in the left lane unless you're passing. But this is like an exit anyway, so I got that weird law over here. Let me know what you think about that law. If you think it really helps. Alright, so FSD with the immediate lane switch, taking the exit, handled very nicely, smooth turning. Oh yeah, look at that bridge right over there. That's so cool. Alright, here we go with a very sharp turn. FSD taking it super nicely. Alright, right at 25 miles per hour, and voila, we are here at the Harrahs. And just like that, it brought us to exactly where we needed to go. Let's see what it does from here. It's gonna be a tricky left. Let's see if it decides. Yeah, should be able to make it. Awesome. Look at that. Very interesting move by FSD right there, but I don't think, I would have done the same thing, but here we are. And we made it. Thanks again for watching. Hope you have a great day.